welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Goa government's move to ban iron ore likely to hit production of iron ore in the country. Domestic production likely to decline by 18%, exports by 50%. Goa government to finalize cheque policy by Wednesday. Official announcement on Friday. Cheque owners march at CM's residence protesting against delay in tourism season. Kudsade MLA Nilesh Cabral criticizes Shah Commission's report, says report compiled without taking mining stakeholders into confidence, says no BJP MLAs will split on mining issue. Three companies bid for massive renovation of Fatorda Stadium in view of Lusophonia Games infrastructure preparation on course, but some sports association are yet to submit training details and estimates. And 2 years after open heart surgery, Father Bolmex Pereira returns to football. And now the news in detail. The recent Goa government's move to ban iron ore mining is likely to hit the production of iron ore in the country during the current financial year. The domestic production is likely to come down by 18%. Export is estimated to new side by almost 50%. Here is a report.
During the fiscal ended March 2012, the domestic production of iron ore was estimated at 170 million tons, a decline of 20% year-on-year. The country exported 60 million tons in fiscal year 12, down 39% year-on-year. The recent mining ban announced in Goa could wipe out about 30 million tons from the seaborne market, about 1 billion tons. India's share in the seaborne market could decline from 13% in fiscal year 10 to around 3% in fiscal year 13. An increase thereafter would depend on the fate of the Goa mining industry. If exports out of Goa are not resumed this year, India's total exports in fiscal year 13 could drop to about 30 million tons. Goa and Karnataka together accounted for about 36% of India's production and about 65% of India's exports prior to the ban. India's iron ore reserves are estimated at 7 billion tons. Most of India's iron ore production is in the states of Orissa, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh, Goa and Jharkhand. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa government will finalize cheque policy by Wednesday and it will be announced by Friday. Tourism Minister Dilip Parwekar informed that the decision on cheque policy will be taken on Wednesday during cabinet meet and policy will be announced by Friday. Parwekar clarified government's stand in a meeting with the cheque owners after their protest at Chief Minister's residence.
Tourism Minister assured that the cheque policy will take care of all the issues of the stakeholders.
पॉलिसी आसा फ्रेमवर्क केल्ली आहा ही पॉलिसी आमी आमच्या कॅबिनेटाक बसून फायनल करता आनी तांकां आमी उतर दिल्लें आसा की बाय मंडे पॉलिसी डिक्लेअर करून एप्लिकेशनां नव्या सिजनाची शेकाची जावं बाकी सगळ्यो एक्टिविटीज आहा तेजी घेवपाक सुरवात करतली बाय लेटली शुक्रारा पासून तुका पॉलिसी हा कितें डिक्लेअर करता.
Shack owners along with water sports operators held a protest at Chief Minister's residence in Altin on Monday. Around 200 shack owners gathered outside Chief Minister's residence. Shack Owners Welfare Society has strongly opposed the proposed shack policy and demanded some change in it. The society has also protested against the proposal of Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority to postpone the shack operations till 15th October. A delegation met Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and submitted a memorandum.
आमचे डिमांड आले की आम्ही शेकाची साईज दुसरे फीज साईज शेक फीज आणि बेड्स आम्ही 15 पेरो मागल्या एश्युरन्स दिला आमकां कोत्ता म्हणून पूण 15 न्हू कितें जाल्यार एक बरें सोल्युशन काडटा म्हूण सांगला तेणी आनी दुसरी आमची पालोलें शेकां दिवंक ना ती आफ्टर नोव्हेंबर स्टडी करून पालोलेची शेकां आमी स्टडी करून चोयता म्हणून सांगला कितें दिवपाक जाता ती पावले.
South Goa Water Sports Owners Association has opposed counter system proposed by the Goa Tourism Development Corporation to keep a check on water sports operators.
निलेश काब्राल हांव उलयल्ले तो GTDC डायरेक्टर तो कितें म्हणटा आमी आपणागे मनीस तोतले आनी आमी ताका 5% दिवपा जाय आमी म्हणटा आमी ताका तेगे मनीस आमकां कितें जाता आमकां ऑलरेडी आमगे प्रायस लिस्ट व्हड बोर्ड माताय हेजेर बिचीचेर आमी बिलींग आहा सो सगळें आमगे कायद्यान चलता सो कायद्यान चलता आसतना आतां गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा आपूण कावंटर घातलो.
Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has extended his support to the shack owners.
CM has given assurance that he will go back to the GCZMA to come out with a solution. CM has said all the demands, 90% of the demands will be fulfilled.
Meanwhile, Shack Owners Welfare Society on Monday morning marched to Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority's office at Pilen Mapsa. The society disagrees with the authority's assessment and its suggestions. The GCZMA has suggested government to delay the tourism season. SOWS submitted a memorandum to member secretary of GCZMA.
CRZ म्हणटा की शेकां दिवपाक जायना. आमी कितें म्हणटा जरी तर तुमकां जर बंद करपाक जाय इवन हॉटेलां पासून बंद करात.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte and video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent Media.
BJP's Kursade MLA Nilesh Cabral has criticized Shah Commission's report. He says that Shah Commission compiled the report on Google records without taking concerned minors and other stakeholders into consideration. He was speaking in our weekly program Head On. State government has banned mining in Goa on the basis of Shah Commission report. However, Cabral made it clear that none of the BJP MLAs will split on the mining issue. He is not sure when the ban of mining will be lifted.
शाह कमिशनान जे कितें आपले रिपोर्टा भितर म्हणा ताचे कडेन तुमी सगळे जाण एग्री जाता
ना पळय शाह कमिशन इज इंडिविजुअल पर्सन आय डोंट नो एज फार एज माय नॉलेज इज कंसर्न इफ that report had to be done properly he should have taken the stakeholders also into confidence given them time to show the what is the wrong. तेणे कितें केला लॅपटॉप घेतला हॉटेलान बसला गुगल मॅपार काडल्या आय नो ऑफ इन्स्टन्सीस बिकॉज आय मायनिंग कन्वर्सेशन आय नो आय रेड द 2 reports thoroughly I have seen that related topography जो दाखयला तितू गुगल मॅपार इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू द मायन्स वॉट इज सायडीन लिटरेचर बरयता इट इज नॉट मॅचिंग एट ऑल. सो आय फील दॅट ही मॅट बी तरक आय एम नॉट डाउटिंग मिस्टर शाह. He is a very good gentleman, but what I personally feel that he should have taken confidence of the stakeholders and sorted out the differences and corrected whatever is wrong.
रिअलिस्टीक आन्सर सांग कितलो टायम लागतलो स्टार्ट जावपाक.
पळय आय डोंट नो कित्याक आजुनूय फ्रॉम द स्टेप्स टुडे मायनर्स स्टील नॉट स्टार्टेड गिविंग द पेपर्स. क्लियरन्सीस बाय द स्टेट विल बी गिवन अप टू देम. जे लिगल आसा इलिगल बंद जावपाक जाय. लिगल जे आसा these clearances will be going to them and once the clearances go whether the central government still persists on their EC clearances we'll have to see. So as far as the state is concerned I think within the next 15 to 20 days all papers once the mine owners give we will state will give them permission to start.
कितले लोक डिपेंडंट आसतले गोंयाक मायनिंगाचेर. 15 लाख लोकसंख्या
माझे
रफ एस्टिमेट कितें.
what I feel 60% of the population is dependent on mining indirectly or indirectly.
खंय तरी जर प्रेशर चड वाडलो जाल्यार मायनिंग बेल्टांतले आमदार फुटपाक शकता.
कोण फुटपाक म्हणल्यार कळना. फुटपाक म्हणल्यार स्वता फुटपाक शकता.
स्वता न्ही पक्षांतल्यान फुटपाक शकता.
लोकांचे
मायनिंग बेल्टांतले सगळे आमदार एक कडेन येवन.
लोकांचे म्हाका खबर ना. निलेश काब्राल जो BJPचो MLA जाल्लो आसा वेदर द गव्हर्मेंट बाकीचे फुटले कोण फुटले म्हाका खबर ना. निलेश काब्राल हॅज स्टार्टेड हिज कॅरियर इन पॉलिटिक्स विथ BJP विल एंड हिज कॅरियर इन BJP. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ फुटपाचो एंड आय डोंट थिंक कोणूच फुटतले बिकॉज दिस इज टू इट इज नॉट ओनली MLAs. म्हाका सांग काँग्रेस गव्हर्मेंट फाल्यां येयलो दॅट मीन्स दे कॅन स्टार्ट mining operation. Why when BJP government is there you cannot start?
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.